In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in Zoho Books. Let's get started right from the Zoho Books dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main home screen. This is usually the dashboard where you see an overview of your business finances like income, expenses, and cash flow. From here, we'll navigate to the section where all your expense-related activities are managed. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Purchases. This is the area in Zoho Books where you manage everything you buy for your business, such as bills, vendor payments, and of course, expenses. Go ahead and click on Purchases. If your screen is a bit narrow, the menu might be collapsed, so you may need to hover over the icons or expand the menu to see the labels clearly. Once you're inside the Purchases section, you'll see several tabs or options. Find and click on Expenses. This will bring you to a dedicated page showing a list of all the expenses that have already been recorded in your account. Here you can view details like dates, amounts, vendors, and statuses, but for now we're going to focus on adding a new one. At the top right area of the expenses page, look for a button that says Record Expense. This is the main button you'll use whenever you want to log a new expense transaction. Click on Record Expense, and Zoho Books will open a new expense form. Now you'll see a screen where you can fill in all the expense details. Take your time with this part, because accurate information here keeps your reports and tax records clean. Typically, you'll enter the date of the expense, the account or category it falls under, such as travel, utilities, or office supplies, and the total amount. You can also specify the vendor or payee, choose the payment account like a bank or cash account, and add a short description so you remember what this expense was for later on. If your organization tracks projects or customers, you may also be able to associate the expense with a specific project or contact. Double check the tax treatment and currency if applicable, and attach a copy of the receipt if there's an upload option available. Attaching receipts is a great habit for audits and internal reviews. Once all the necessary fields are filled in and you're happy with the information, it's time to save the expense. Look for the Save button on the expense form. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt+S as a quick way to save. Pressing Alt and S together will record the expense and add it to your expense list. After saving, you'll be taken back to the expenses page, where you should see your new entry in the list, complete with the date, amount, and other details you entered. And that's it.